always a laundry list. Should you hire an inspector when you build a new home? Well, hey, in this video, I'm going to share with you not just why, but when you should hire an inspector to inspect a brand new construction home. Hi, I'm Dana Pollard, a real estate agent in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, and I started selling new homes 12 years ago and learned the building process and kind of the behind the scenes as a sales counselor. Then I got my real estate license and I've been selling both new and resale homes ever since. And today I'm going to share with you why you should hire an inspector when purchasing a new home and when you should get it done. Now listen, both the builder and the city inspect the home prior to move-in, and they get what's called a CO, a certificate of occupancy. What that CO does is it says, hey, this home is in safe, livable conditions, okay? So why would you want to hire an inspector if both the builder and the city inspect the home? Isn't it just a waste of money? In fact, many sales counselors and other real estate agents I've heard say over and over and over again, hey, the home has a 1-year warranty on it, so don't get the inspection done now. Get the inspection done, before the year is up, and then the builder will come in and repair anything, right? That makes kind of sense. That sounds right, but I would say that's not the best time to get the inspection done, and let me share why. All right, so I've seen many people move into brand new homes, and guess what? The home has never been lived in before. So what does that mean? It means as many inspections as you can get is great. Let me share a little story. So my first home was a brand new home. We built it from scratch with the builder. And within a week of moving into the home, by the way, we did not hire an inspector. Within a week of moving into the home, we had an upstairs bathroom water leak, and it just flooded our downstairs. Not only our upstairs bathroom, but downstairs as well. So it went into the sheetrock and everything. And into the carpet. We had him come. They did fix it. The builder fixed it, and I'm grateful they fixed it. But I wonder, could it have been prevented had we hired an inspector? Because many inspectors will turn the water on and leave them running for a while just to make sure everything's free flowing. So not just my experience, but many other buyers' experiences as well that did not hire an inspector they had wished they had. And I would say leaks are probably one of the biggest things. So what an inspector will do. So let me back up. I would recommend that you hire an inspector before you close on the home, and this is why. Because no one's lived in the home, an inspector who represents your best interest, not the builder, not the city, they represent your best interest. They will go through and they'll run the water. They will go through every detail of the home and make sure that anything that can be caught gets caught, okay? And every time my buyer gets an inspector for a new home, there's always a laundry list. And so what's good is before you close on the home, you can take that laundry list and submit it to the builder and then just say, hey, I need you to complete everything on this list. When you do resale, you negotiate only certain items. You don't negotiate everything. I recommend you hire an inspector after the city issues a CO, when the home's ready, but give the builder some time to repair the items. So you don't want to wait till last minute. Not everything has to be done on the list, but the majority of things. And get the inspection done before you move in. Then have the builder repair everything, and then after you move in, you may still have to iron out some kinks, but hopefully not near as many if you get an inspection done. And then when you're in the home for a year and that warranty is almost up, I guess you could get another inspection. However, you've probably lived in the home for a year now and kind of have an idea what needs repaired. So I hope this video helps answer your question of when and why you should hire an inspector before you close on the home. Hey, so if you are thinking about buying a new home or resale, I have a $1,500 buyer rebate coupon. All you have to do is click the link below and go and register. And when you close, I'll give you $1,500 buyer credit back. You can use it for closing costs or take a check after closing. But all that is my thank you to you for choosing me as a real estate agent, and thank you to my YouTube followers. So guys, thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed yet, please do so now, and have a great day.